Hey guys, so this video is actually a recap of my trip to Nepal with my brother in Nepal this past summer. Most of these clips are before I was vlogging in my Ashang's GoPro, so they're going to be kind of mixed up, but I tried my best to fit them. But you guys are going to be the judge on how well I did. Anyways, I'll see you guys over on the voiceovers and let's see and do a recap on the trip to Nepal.
Nepal Are you guys leaving? Have a safe trip. Let's go. Are you guys exciting? Let's go. Okay, enjoy your flight, okay? What? What was that? Let's go.
That's our...
Let's go. Have a safe trip, guys. Are you guys exciting?
Yeah, very excited.
Going Nepal. Okay. Okay, get in the car. Open the back side. Don't open, okay? Okay. Okay, get in. Have a safe trip. Okay. Do you have any message to Judy, Sonam?
Thank you, Judy and Ron. Thank you so much.
And Ron.
Thank you for the books and everything. We'll write everything, so don't worry about it, Judy. Thank you so much. We've now reached the airport and we're on our way to Nepal. We are very excited. We took some final pictures before we go.
Bye, Gumba Sonam. She's hearing you. Other girl, yes.
Took some final pictures before we head on over to our plane. The whole flight to Nepal is very long. All of these were recorded in phones and iPads without thinking to make a vlog, so sorry if some of them don't fit in.
As you maintain physical distance and remain seated during the flight. If you wish to use the washroom, we request that you avoid going.
Hi Judy and Pala. We can't make videos or photos, or we can't turn iPad on when we're off the ground. So yeah. Anyway, I'll show more video later.
And just like that, we were heading over to Doha. They actually had some pretty nice cameras and views in front of you on the TVs. We took some very nice pictures. And then actually, we finally got over to Doha, where we took some photos and FaceTime with Amma. And then this is the flight to Nepal. So no. There it is. I think it said there's 8 minutes left. There's 8 minutes left until we reach Kathmandu. Right now it's going down. After that, we landed and our relatives were waiting for us there.
Oh, really?
September, but
Okay. You guys are happy?
yeah.
Welcome to Nepal.
We had finally gone to Nepal. Ashang Dawa, Ashang Ngawang, and Achatul team all came to pick us up.
Oh, welcome. Come. Yes. No, not now.
Later that day, we ended up going to their home, and then a couple days later, we met our grandpa, and then we actually went around Bodha and explored and saw the Stupa too. Now, a few days later, we went to a hike called Chisopani. This was a really long hike and it was very fun. However, I didn't vlog it, and this was before I was starting to vlog, so I put all the videos from my iPad and put them all together and all the photos. This was a very nice experience. It was very jungly, and overall it was a wonderful experience. We hiked all the way from down to up. It was also a really long hike too, but we saw many beautiful things. Now this hike took like 2 days, so we actually on our first day ended up stopping at a hotel, and this next video is us stopping at a hotel on this little tour. Yeah, hi Judy. So it's morning, and this is the view from the morning. There's a lot of pollution. I mean, here's the jungle. And here's our room. Right here. Beautiful view. It's a very steep drop. Chickens there. And then over here is our room. Here's Ashang. Hi, Stile Ashang.
Hi, Stile.
We connect the rooms, the beds. So yeah, very nice. There's the downstairs. There's a little ladder. And we're on the roof. Oh, here's Sonam. Sonam,
Oh, hi, Judy. Hi.
do you like the trip so far? How has it been for you?
It's been okay.
Really?
It was going really hard to go up.
And so you're panning really hard, right, for you?
Yeah. But luckily, we're not going to go up anymore because of Yunden's school. So.
No, actually, no. You canceled it. We're gonna go up.
What?
Yeah.
You're not joking with you.
Nope, we're actually gonna go up. Yeah, so here's actually where we exercised yesterday. Well, yeah, how do you like Nepal so far, Sonam?
I'll give you 5 reasons of how good it is.
Okay.
5 bad reasons and 5 good reasons.
Okay.
The 5 bad reasons:
Look in the camera.
dirty water, honking, air, pollution. What else is there? There's more. Hotness, and yeah.
And what about the good reasons?
The good reasons. The good reasons. It's more natural. It's
Cheaper.
yeah, cheaper. It's
People are nice.
yeah, people are nice.
Goats. Animals, farms.
Oh yeah, animal farms. How is that? Oh wait, no, for food.
Yeah.
More natural and more civilized. A little bit more civilized than I thought. And I guess that's it.
Okay, Sonam, thank you.
Yeah, and it's more. It doesn't take up too much. Like on the hills, they don't have smoke or motorcycles that pollute the air.
Yeah.
That's what I like about it. Except on the cities, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Look it. Apa memarcha?
Yeah.
Kina.
Too hot.
And too tired?
Yeah.
Sonam.
Look in
Hi,
the camera.
Sonam.
Look in the camera.
We're 1 hour away.
Yeah.
We're 1 hour away, 2 hours into the 3-hour hike. 1 hour away from Chisopani.
Yeah.
He's happy. You see?
Cheese.
Strong guy.
Alright, let's go, guys. Yan, takos. Good job, Sonam.
Good job.
We have been hiking for like an hour and a half here, and we made it to this really nice ridge in the jungle. There's Sonam and Yunden. How are you doing, Sonam? Sonam, how are you doing? Good. What about you, Yunden? Good. Very nice little area. Alright guys, it's the next day, and on our way to the hike we saw some beautiful scenes, and then we actually ended up stopping at a little store that we found on the way. Sonam, we just got some water, and we came from over there, right there. And here's our shop.
It's 40 rupees one.
Also, here's a picture of a snakeskin we found while hiking. Guys,
Hi.
I think we found Sonam. How are you doing, Sonam? Are you good?
I'm tired,
You're so tired?
but I'm happy that we're at the lodge.
Yeah, so here we reached Chisopani. I don't know what that says, but we have reached Chisopani. It's very beautiful. It's very foggy, but no rain or no sun today, so it's very good hiking conditions. Very nice.
And Judy, I've learned more Nepal. Yeah, I can say more Nepali now.
That's good.
That's good. I'm trying to remember more. Remember.
We came from there, decided to hike up here, go to this little dam. And actually, last time I said it was Chisopani, which is the place we're going, that was actually false. Looks like it was another city. But here we are.
Even though he might not be stronger than Anos, he probably is.
But he can absorb everything.
Yeah, I know.
He can just
Some people say that Anos is immortal because if he can just revive himself too. So,
Actually, finally made it to Chisopani. Here's Ashang. How many hours, Ashang? 3.5?
more than 3.5.
Yeah, but we did do a little bit of break, so. So I'm happy. Finally got here.
He's doing such a good. We put in training.
Welcome to
yeah.
Manipuri.
Chisopani.
Chisopani.
Post.
We are officially leaving the national park now, and we're going to the village Chisopani, where we're going to be staying. So yeah. Alright guys, so Chisopani actually in English means cold water. So the town's name in English is actually cold water. Just thought that was kind of interesting.
Except that one building.
Look how scary that is.
I bet whoever lived at that was scared. How this is live?
Right now.
Would you be in the mirror verse?
We can take us here when we are in the
Would you rather be in this verse or the mirror?
Is this where we're going?
Just put you with the signboard.
Yeah.
Come.
Damaged area by earthquake.
This looks like the mirror verse. Multiverse.
If you hear someone screaming, that's actually not someone, that's an animal. Wild animal. It's like a little deer. They say. Like a little mountain goat as such. Shh.
We live here.
Guys, be quiet.
He lives in the army camp.
Yeah, that's an animal.
Oh yeah, gumbo.
Guys, be quiet. Wow. Yeah.
Also, you don't have it, the multiverse? Can you watch it?
I think so.
Have enough money to buy it? Oh my god. This is a mirror. Oh.
This is really like a foggy, scary forest you'd see in movies. Alright guys, so we made it to Chisopani. Let's go. So next, after this clip, we actually ended up walking around a bit more, and we actually ended up finding a little hotel. There was no one there, and this is a video I took at that hotel. We found a pretty good place, but it wasn't the cleanest. Let's just say that. New hotel room. Has a pretty nice view. Yeah. It's like in the jungle, but this is our room right here. If you go up, there's a little good view, but here we are. Hi, Ashang.
This is our bait.
Not the best, but unlike last time, we actually have a toilet, so public toilet. Yeah. Alright guys, so this day we actually had to take a shower, and each one of us went downstairs to one of the buildings, and one by one took a shower alone, and it was kind of scary because it was all by ourselves in that room and no one was there. You guys will see some of the rooms when I show them later and see what I mean. Hi Judy, so this is where we're staying today. Here's Sonam. He's done taking his shower, everything. View's very nice. It's about sunset. Anyways, so this is where I was, right here. And then Sonam yelled at me from across. Namaste. And here's also where he was taking a shower. So Yunden's taking a shower in there right now. But yeah, he yelled at me from across here, wanted me to come. So hi Judy. So this is we're having some fried aloo chips, which is fries right now.
24 hours?
Oh, sorry. He has a high score in Subway Surfers. So 1.6 million.
1.9.
1.9. Ashang went inside the hotel right there. And it's all foggy.
Oh, I didn't realize it was
It's
so
very
foggy.
beautiful though. Are you enjoying Sonam?
Yeah.
Fries good? Good. Hi Judy. So we're going on Jeep back to Kathmandu. Hi Sonam. And I think that was right here. We're going back on Jeep. It's very bumpy, but we're gonna be here for 2 hours. So go. Hi Sonam. How you doing? So we're actually in a travel little hotel because Ashang Dawa has a travel agency, and so he wanted to tour this area, this hotel. Ashang Dawa is right there. Where are we going, guys? Very nice little area. Oh, we're going on the swing. It's a big Nepali swing. Actually, a little koi fish here too. Rooms are there. There's fish in here. Oh, look at this view. Very nice. Hi Sonam.
Oh, hi.
We're still in the hotel.
Baby
Hi Judy, look at this view. Hi Amma. Very nice. It's in Nepal. Hi Sonam.
Hi. Baby.
Alright guys, so that's the end of that whole trip right there. The next few clips are going to be random since I recorded them without really having the thought in mind of making a vlog out of them. So sorry if it's kind of out of order, but here they are.
We are in music.
Hi Sonam. Stupa's right there. Hi Sonam. We're walking up with Ashang. We made it to the Stupa. Sonam's right there. Ashang. I remember this. If you go to the left right here and you go down, that's where our main street was. And you go left and then turn right, that's where our house is. We're gonna do that really soon. For now, we're gonna go around.
Namaste. This is beautiful Swambhunath Stupa in here with the prayer flags. And it's known as a monkey temple too. Today weather is very good. You can see the monkeys here. And Gompo and then Sonams are there. Hi Gompo, hi Sonam. How you doing? That's the lake. It's here. Temple, a lot of people, bumpers. They go to offering materials, spiritual. So there's a Buddha. Oh, namaste. Hello, Alex. Namaste. Oh, I've met my friend.
What a nice tour by Ashang. Also, Ashang means uncle. The Indian temple. And then here is a Buddhist stupa. See, and then below is a Christian temple. They live in London. Come on, Sonam, let's go. came from here. Asing dawa tasle. Sonam tasle. Good view right here. Okay, enjoy, guys. Kaya po yun, ha? Oh my god, bro. Look at this. I remember this a long time ago. This is the front. After we reached the end of this staircase, we turned left, and that's the street we lived on. And then on the right was our house. We are now down, climb from all the way up there. Yeah. Also, I apologize for the shaky camera. I really do. Them changed, but it's not like it used to be. I remember this. Definitely not like.
पेमाको छोरा हो नि
हो त म चिन्छु बहिनीलाई चिन्छु नि म कति मेरो बहिनी कति बाल हुन्थ्यो
त्यो अफर बटल
Come on. To the left over here is our street that we used to live on, and then here's
मम्मीले गइसक्नु भयो
मम्मी अस्ति 3 महिना जति बस्यो आमाले बिराम भएर फेरि बस्नु पाएन
धेरै सोध्या छ बहिनीलाई भन
ल आमालाई हैन
बाबालाई पनि
ल
अनि सबै अमेरिका बस्यो
This is the street we used to live in right here. It's really different. There used to be taxi people right here. God, this road changed a lot. This is the road. This is the right-hand side we used to live in. Right here. The road is a lot bigger. And over there is like kind of like someone got hit by a bicycle once. This is the road that our house was in. Here. This has changed a lot, but I think this is the house we used to live in right here. This is all dirt. Now it's all paved road. Surprised, very surprised. That's the end of that adventure. Next is us hanging out with grandma and family. Hello, today Ash and Noang actually got some Singapore friends for dinner, and so I'm here with Ibi. Ibi, say Tashidele. Ibi, Tashidele. The Amala singer to low Amala. At Hango Ba. Hango. That's all. And Sonam's in the other room. Over here. So yeah. The video of us hanging out with Ashang's Singapore friends, unfortunately most of them I can't put in here because for some reason I can't save them. So these are the things I can do with the limited videos I had. We are in Kopan Tasle. Sonam's right there. Kopan Monastery. View. Kopan Monastery, library. Hi Sonam. Very quiet and clean. Hi Pala, I'm Judy. Hello. I see it. Alright guys, next we actually meet the Rinpoche of Kopan Gompa. Alright guys, so there's 2 Rinpoches in Kopan Gompa, and right now here we're trying to meet the older one. How to meet the Rinpoche? What do you have?
I have money.
He has a teacher. His teacher except only one son. So it's time. So he will present and I said, if nothing is how you require, you go to a bathroom. If nothing is how you go to a bathroom. And then when it's how you go to the bathroom. What are the things is that? You may do bathroom anyway. So, by sitting with him, then afterwards you get angry. Yes.
And then here's us meeting the younger one. He was just sleeping and he just come.
Sonam, you're meeting with Meme second time.
Very excited. Meme, today Father's Day. And pala loteli kiranga. Happy Father's Day, lo. Happy Father's Day, kiranga. I was really happy meeting Meme, and so was Sonam. के भयो रे आसन
पहिला
कोमा भएर सोर्सिङ 만주 사마야 디너라 모모 사기에 모모 디너 over here. In this little area. Okay guys, we're gonna eat. Just waiting for our food. Sonam got chicken momo, Ashinawa got buff momo, Ashin got buff momo, I got chicken momo, and then Sonam, me and Ashinawa got lemonade, and Ashin got banana lassi. Okay, let's enjoy. Here are a couple pictures of us meeting Acha Chuldim. She is so kind, so nice to meet her finally. We all love her, and we also got to meet her father. And then the next one is Sonam getting a haircut.
Hi. Hi, Gani.
Bye.
Here's a picture of us with Ashang before he was leaving. And then also the next picture is in Pokhara where we had barbecue. I did a vlog on that. And then this is a fight we saw in Pokhara too.
He's getting in fights now. Getting in fights now. Annie.
아니 술에
Berapa?
아니 중앙에 내 멋있어 아니 중앙라서
Tas lihat.
아 this 아 아, 근데 그거 말하니. 아, 근데 그러셨다. 근데 그거 말해. 아, 기부 누나. 기부 누나. 기부 누나. 수 잡지 민도 아니. 수 잡지요 말해. 수 잡지 누나 매봐.
Lasso Ani lo. Ani.
아니, 가다 이렇게.
Ibi. Amerika lagi bodoh.
아,
이거.
가다 이렇게 하다. 하나 또 다. Dili sino ta kami na. Ano hala dyan ang yung aman. Tisi. Sindi siya kuman ba? Wannan siya ayo ba sila dyan?
But, July 15, 2 days from going back to Nepal, and we're outside right now. It's like 8:30. You can see Ibi's right there. Tashi dele Ibi. Ibi. Tashi dele. Tashi dele meda. Tashi dele. Tashi dele meda. Tashi dele. Tashi dele. And then it's coming now. I'm gonna sit down with Ibi. I'm gonna edit some of my vlogs. So bye bye, honey. Hazır?
Bati dekha raho.
Lalo, dekha raho ne. Ani kali aउँछ? Okay, guys, we are about to leave. Suitcase, everything has been packed. It's been loaded into that car right there. Namaste, Dai. So everything's in there. We're about to leave. Asha wants to get to the airport at like 5, like 6. Right now it's like 4:30, so we're about to leave. Kamla Didi's gonna record. So thank you, hi Didi.
Hi.
I'm just a stand. Don't worry about me. I'm standing in the seat. And PC at work.
Eh, aman ngayon ito chop din daw di.
Guys, see you guys later.
사지게.
Okay, guys.
라, 공부해 보가.
So I'll see you guys when we're on the inside, or maybe later. So yeah. All right, guys, we're getting on.
I do it all for the family. Everyone think they go brag. I know I'm never gonna.
The camera was really good. You can see LA is a lot more than LA, and really happy in the runaway. I'll see you guys and see what.
Alright, guys, we're getting our luggage. If Pala comes or anything happens. Hi, Pala. Pala is here. He's right there. Mama's right there.
I know. And there was.
In our car now, right? See now, we're leaving. Alright, guys, we're on a video call with them. Alright, guys, we're on a video call with them. We just got our stuff in the car. You can see.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the recap of Nepal. We ended up making it home safely, and then in a couple next months, we actually ended up meeting our Agu, Geshe, and having a fun time with him. Bye!